Hello, this is Connie, and I'm back again with another tutorial. And today's tutorial is going to be about how you can go in and make changes to your processes. So I have a process here where what was going on with this process is that there was an account on the account object that whenever this account is active, and let's say we are going to make a change to the account to the phone number field. We want to make sure that the account is active, and whenever we make a change to the account phone number field, that the action that's going to happen is that it's going to automatically update the account, the contact. I'm sorry, it's going to update the contact assistant phone number field. So let me show that here. What we have on this account of Connie Cakes. And we have it where we have the phone number field and this account is active. So let's say we are looking at the contact. And on the contact for Connie Cakes, we have Sally Russ. And as you can see, that the assistant phone number field is blank. Okay. So what we want to do is go, and let's say we're going to make a change to the phone number field right here. And so let's say you see that number is, let's do this, just change it to let's just leave 7, let's take it off, 950 745. So we're going to save this and let's see if it worked. So we're going to go back to that contact. See the details on this contact person, and you see the assistant phone number has changed to the 615-940-0745. Well, there has been a manager named Nicole has come through and she said, okay, we don't want all of our updates to only occur in the United States, in the US, but also we want only our billing country codes in the US to update these changes. So what we're going to do is go in and make a change to this process. So let's go back to that and make a change to it that way. So the criteria is that we want to add another criteria that's saying that the system phone number field can only change unless we have the account is active. We already have that. Also, there's going to be an update made to the phone number. And then the next thing is that we add in the second one, where a third one rather is that the account billing country code has to be USA. So let's go back. So we have this active process right here. And as you can see, if I go in to that criteria, and if I try to go in and make that change, I can't do that. So that's the good thing with Process Builder is that you just can't go back and click into it to make the change. What you have to do is clone it. So here's the clone button here. Now on this clone this process, you have a version of the current process, or you can create a whole new process. In this particular case, where we don't want to make a whole new process, we just want to update the current version. So with this, we're going to leave the description, and then we're going to add when the account number is changed, the account phone number field, updated. So let's say when the account number is changed and USA country billing code USA. The contact assistant field would update. So let's just save that as our new process. Now, as you see this blue box has come up showing that we can make changes now. So let's go here and we have the criteria is when the account is active. That's one of the criterias. But also criteria was the account phone number is changed. Now we're going to add another one, another criteria, which would be the third criteria, is that the account billing country, here you go, billing country equals USA. So all the conditions are going to be met. So let's save that. Okay, so what we have here is on the account field as we've gone through, when a record is created or edited, that the criteria is that the account is active, that the account phone number is going to be updated or changed, and then also the billing country code is going to equal USA. The immediate action is the contact assistant phone field will change based on what the account phone field is. So we're going to activate this. And what this is saying that when you activate this process, it's going to automatically deactivate your other process. So we're going to confirm that. So let's go and see how this is going to work. So let's go in and go to another account that I've already have here set up with Gen account. So if we look at the details on this account, what you see is that we have the phone number. The account is the account is active. Okay, and let's look at the country code on this, the billing address. And you see it has no country code here. Okay, so let's cancel out of that. And then let's go to the contact, which is Etna Frank. And let's see if we have her assistant phone number in this field. So there's no assistant phone number in this field. So let's see if this process will work. So let's go back to the account and let's go in and update the phone number field. And let's change this phone number to 34000 and hit save. And so let's check the count and see if that changed. So let's go to Aetna. Let's go to detail. And you see the assistant phone number did not change on this. Okay, so let's go to another one where I already have it set up where I know the country code. It's going to meet all the criterias. So we see that it should update on this one. So this is another account, Burlington Textile Corporation of account. We have let's look at the details here. We have the phone number. The account is active. And another part of that criteria was that country code has to be the billing country has to be USA. So that's the case here. So let's just check the contacts to see if there's anything in the assistant field, the assistant phone field. And the assistant phone field, it does. It has 35336532222, which was the same phone number for the account field. If you remember, which is 366532222. So let's make a change to this. And let's change this. I'm just going to put all zeros on here. Save. And let's go and look at this contact. Jack Rogers. Do the detail on that. And as you see, it updated the assistant phone field for the contact. There's another contact on here too. Let's see. Let's check if it also updated. I thought there was another contact on here. Let's go back to accounts. I think that was Burlington Tex Corp. Yes. And there's another account here. It's Russell Wilson. Let's look at the detail. And here you go. It also changed. So it did update it on this. So our process worked and we were able to get that done for Nicole. Now, some things to look at on this process. So when you view this process, what you're going to see is that our first version of this became inactive. And then our version 2 is what's active now. So you want to show that when you see that, when you see that message when you hit the active button, this is what that is talking about. It is saying that the first version of this will become inactive and that new version will become active. So I hope this was a great tutorial to show how you make changes on your processes. There's just This is just a great way of being able to go in and make changes on the process. So if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment on my YouTube. You can always leave a comment on my blog. I have all that information in the comment section of my YouTube. So have a great day.